5 Useful Tips to Overcome Your Fear of Public Speaking. The average person ranks the fear of public speaking, also known as glossophobia, higher than the fear of death. The truth is, this fear could be hurting your professional and personal life. You may have been there before. You feel nervous. Your palms sweat. Your stomach ties itself into knots. You don't want to do it. But you can overcome this fear of oral presentations with these simple public speaking tips. 1. Get organized. When you organize all of your thoughts and materials, it helps you to become much more relaxed and calm. When you have clear, organized thoughts, it can greatly reduce your speaking anxiety because you can better focus on the one thing at hand, giving a great speech. 2. Practice and prepare extensively. Nothing takes the place of practicing and preparing for your speech. Write out a script of your key points, but don't read from the script word for word. Prepare for your speech so well that you could answer any possible question thrown at you. 3. Eliminate fear of rejection. What if my audience hates my speech? What if they boo me off stage? Try to eliminate all of your fears of rejection. The audience is there to listen to you for a reason. 4. Focus on patterns. When you speak, try to get into a rhythm or a flow. Keep your sentences short and to the point and repeat key points. A short pause in between points can add anticipation to what you are going to say next. 5. Watch yourself in the mirror. Practice your speech in front of the mirror as if you were speaking directly to someone. If you really want to learn how to improve public speaking skills, then pay attention to your facial expressions, your gestures, your body movements, how welcoming you appear,